Another question is under root 9 into 10 into 11 into 12 plus 1. Okay, what is the value of this? So you can solve in this way. Under root. First make the pairing 9 into 12 and 10 into 11 plus 1. Okay, 12 into 9 is 108. 10 into 11, 110. You can write in multiply form. So we can take 108. We can write 109 minus 1. And 110, 109 plus 1. Plus 1. Now use the formula A minus B, A plus B. The product of these two numbers is A square minus B square. So we can write here 109 whole square minus 1 square. And this is the 1. 109 square minus 1 plus 1. Cancel the 109 square under root. Again square cancel by square root. The answer is 109. Okay.